welcome back. The question we have for today is, what's the best printer out there?
My opinion, the best printer out there is the new HP E877 series. I like it personally because you can't jam the ADF. It's got a nice big keyboard. What about you?
Those are all really good points. Unfortunately, I would have to respectfully disagree and go with Canon. Canon has the highest reliability of all the printers out on the market, least amount of jams out of 200,000 pages according to the BLI awards. I mean, in my opinion, Canon is the best.
I see we're kind of in a disagreement here. I think the only way to settle this is with the game of pool.
All right,
Let's go.
You rack, I'll break.
All right.